Welcome to another video. Today we want to solve for the value of m. We want to know the value of m when we have m multiplied by m plus m equals 10. Here we are going to apply the rule of BODMAS because this first m and the last m here that is very close to this plus m. Some might add this together. No, we can't do that. So let's follow the rules of BODMAS. So that means multiplication comes first before addition. So m multiplied by m, this gives us m to the power of 3. Then here is plus m. So we take 10 to this side and it becomes minus 10 equals 0. And on getting this, we are going to break this thing down into the sum of 8 and 2. And here we have m to the power of 3 plus m minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. But this 8, we can also write it as 2 to the power of 3, and we combine it with this. And here is m to the power of 3 minus 8. We are going to bracket this one. Then plus we combine this together as well, which is m minus 2 equals 0. And next thing is we are going to write this as 2 to the power of 3. Here is m to the power 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 in brackets plus m minus 2 in bracket equals 0. So the next thing we are going to do here is m to the power 3 minus 2 to the power of 3, where we consider this identity. Here is just like difference of 2 cube. Suppose we have a raised to power of 3 minus b raised to power of 3. This equals a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. We consider this identity for this difference of 2 cube. Now let's try to compare it. It means we are going to let a to be our m and b is our 2. Doing that, we have m minus 2 in bracket. Since we are applying this, open bracket m square plus 2 square plus 2m. So that is only for this. Then with this one, which is plus m minus 2 in bracket l equals 0. Then here is all these, they are together. Why this is separate? It means we can factor out m minus 2 since it is common to both of them. And by factoring, we have this as m minus 2. Then in this larger bracket, which is just like curly bracket, here remains m square plus, let's try to rearrange this. We are going to have this as 2m plus, and 2 square is 4. So when we take out m minus 2, or let's say we divide both sides by m minus 2, this one is going to remain 1, and it comes with plus 1. They're on in bracket, everything equals 0. So then let's try to balance this thing up. We add 4 and 1 together, and I change this bracket to ordinary open bracket like this. And here we have m minus 2 in bracket, open bracket, m square plus 2m plus 5 equals 0. And here we come. We have this as m minus 2, and this is a quadratic equation. When we let m minus 2 equals 0, then we also let this equals 0. Because we want to look for a value in such a way that when we get the value of m, everything must be equals to 0. So therefore, we let m minus 2 equals 0. And from here, we are going to get the value of m, which equals 2. And we got this first solution for m as the real solution. So let's try to solve the other one, as we let that one also equals 0. We have this as m squared plus 2m plus 5 equals 0. Next, we are going to solve this by applying this quadratic formula, because we know that the coefficient of this m is 1 and we call that one a. Suppose we have a equals 1, then we have b equals 2, which is coefficient of this m. Then the constant value, which is c, equals 5. But where does all these values are useful? So they are useful in this quadratic formula. Since we are looking for m, so we are going to let this one to be m equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we substitute all these parameters in this. So where we have m equals, so b is 2, and we have this as minus 2 plus or minus square root of, here is 2 squared minus 4. So we can call this one multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c is 5, all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have m equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square means 4, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5, that gives 20 divided by 2. Then we have m equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of, so 4 minus 20 gives minus 16 divided by 2. But here is negative in a root. How can we get the solution to this? Because when we press calculator for the negative of a number in a root, we are going to get error. But here comes to the aspect of complex. Suppose we have square root of minus 1. This is equals to I. As we can separate this as square root of minus 1 multiplied by 16. When we do this, by applying the rule of sort, we can have this as square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 16, and we say square root of minus 1 equals I. Therefore, we get the whole of this as m equals minus 2 plus or minus. So when we press square root of 16, we get 4, and square root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. But from the up and down, 2 is common. When we factor out 2, and it cancels these 2 on the denominator, so we are going to have m equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i. And here is the other two solutions that satisfy this problem, but this is a complex solutions, and as usual, we are done. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more exciting math content like this and more. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.